हलाव आसामनि गिबि सारिनि सेबखांजानाय गाहाय गाहाय रादाबफोरखौ आं दिनै फरायनो आखायाव लादों। दिनैनि खौरांलाइयाव गिबियाव आं फरायनो आखायाव लादों सानसेयारि बड'लेण्ड इंखं। दा बेवहाय गिबियावनो आं फरायनो नागिरदों जमुना सन्जय मोननो एक्साइज इन्सपेक्टर साख्रि होनो केबिनेटनि थांखि। आसाम केबिनेटआ मैया बुधबार सेप्तेम्बर खालारखालि सानै इन्टारनेशनेल गेलेगिरि मोननो आसाम एक्साइज बिफानाव इन्सपेक्टर साख्रि होनो फोसावबाय। आसाम केबिनेटआ बक्सार जमुना बर' आरो आर्चारि गेलेगिरि सन्जय बर' मोननो इन्सपेक्टर साख्रि फोसावबाय। साख्रिनि एपइन्टमेन्ट लेटारखौ मैया बुधबारखालि अभिरुचि स्पर्ट्स डेनि मेलाव गथायना होनाय जागोन होननानै केबिनेट मन्त्रि पीयूष हाजरिकाया खौरांगिरि मेल खुंनानै मिथिहोदों। दा मख'जाथावदि बक्सार जमुना बर'आ 2019 इं मायथाइयाव आलानुडे रासियायाव जानाय आइबा वमेन वर्ल्ड बक्सिं चेम्पियन शिप्सआव ब्रन्ज मेडेल आवथायनो हादोंमोन आरो गुवाहाटीआव जानाय सेकेन्ड इन इन्डिया थेंगारायाव जानाय 23थि फनसिडेन्टस काप 2019 बक्सिं इन्टारनेशनेल अपेन टुर्नामेन्टआवबो सनानि मेडेल आवथायनो हादोंमोन। गुबुन फारसेथिं सन्जय बर'आ गुबुन गुबुन गोबां इन्टारनेशनेल आर्चारि टुर्नामेन्टआव मेडेल आवथायनो हानाय सासे गोख्रों गेलेगिरि। आथिखालाव बे खौरांखौ मोननानै गोबां सुबुङानो गोजोननाय फोरमायदों। दा बिनि उनाव फरेस्ट वैश्य फाउन्डेशननिफ्राय मानब कुमार रामसियारिनो साबसिन फोरोंगिरि बान्था। दा बेवहाय लिरदों आसामनि सोरखारि नङै एनजिअ फरेस्ट वैश्य फाउन्डेशना 2021 मायथाइ सेसननि थाखाय मानब कुमार रामसियारिनो साबसिन फोरोंगिरि बान्था फोसावदों। मख'नो गोनांदि फोरोंगिरि मानब कुमार रामसियारिया आथिखालाव नलबारि जिल्लानि गार्जेन मा होनदों बेयाव धमधमा गोजौ फरायसालियाव लोगो फोरोंगिरि महरै खामानि मावगासिनो दं। सुलुङाव फोरमायनाय बादिब्ला मानब कुमार रामसियारिया आथिखालाव फोरोंगिरि हाबा मावनायजों लोगोसे थुनलाइ बिथिङावबो गोबां बिहोमा होबोनो हादों आरो बिजाब लिरनाय बायदि खामानियाव नांथाबनानै बर'नि थुनलाइयाव बिहोमा होबोदों। बर' रेबग्रा जथुम आरो बर' थुनलाइ आफादजोंबो नांथाबनानै बर' थुनलाइ जौगाहोनायाव बिथाङा खामानि मावगासिनो। फोरोंगिरि आरो लिरगिरि मानब कुमार रामसियारिनिसिम बर' रेबग्रा जथुमा हामलायथि हरदों। मानो होनोब्ला फोरोंगिरि मानब कुमार रामसियारिया 1985 मायथाइनि 17 मार्चआव बै समनि गवालपारा जिल्लानि थिपकायाव बर' रेबग्रा जथुम दानाय जथुम्मायाव बाहागो लानानै दासिमबो बे थुनलाइयारि फसंथानाव बायदि बिबान लाबोनानै बर' राव थुनलाइ जौगानायाव गोख्रों बिबान लाबोगासिनो दं होननानै बर' रेबग्रा जथुमनि गाहाय नेहाथारि आनन्दराम औवारिया फोरमायदों। दा बिनि उनाव आं फरायनो आखायाव लादों बेयाव दं बिग बस 13नि देरहागिरि सिद्धार्थ शुक्लाया रुंसारि जाबाय। मुंदांखा टेलिभिजन आरो सावथुन फावखुंगुर सिद्धार्थ शुक्लाया दिनै हरखाबै अबथिरा रुंसारि जाबाय। बालिका बधु होननाय टिभि श' आरो बिग बस 13नि देरहागिरि सिद्धार्थ शुक्लाया दिनै 40 बोसोर बैसोआव रुंसारि जाबाय। सुलुंनि बादिब्ला फावखुंगुर सिद्धार्थ शुक्लाया हार्ट एटेक जानानै जिउ गोमादों। मख'जाथावदि फावखुंगुर सिद्धार्थ शुक्लाया टिभि सिरियेल बालिका बधु, दिल से दिल तक, मुंदांखा डांस रियेलिटी श' झलक दिखला जा 6 आरो खतरा के खिलाड़ी बायदि श'फोराव फाव खालामदों। दा बिनि उनाव दङ आसाम सोरखार बिटिसि सोरखारा क'क्राझाराव रिभिल मेल खुंदों। बेयाव दङ आसाम सोरखार आरो बिटिसि सोरखारा दिनै क'क्राझार जिल्लायाव जथायै रिभिउ मेल खुंदों। बे रिभिउ मेलनि गेजेरजों आसाम सोरखार आरो बिटिसि खुंथाया क'क्राझार जिल्लानि सोरखारि बिथांखिफोर मावफुंनायनि सायाव नायबिजिरदों आरो खौरां लादों। मख'नो गोनांदि दिनैनि बे रिभिउ मेलाव बाहागो लादों गिबि मन्थ्रि डक्टर हिमन्त बिश्व शर्माया। बिनि उनाव दं मख'नो गोनांदि दिनैनि बे रिभिउ मेलाव डक्टर हिमन्त बिश्व शर्माया थिसननाय क'क्राझार जिल्लानि बेवहाय दङ गिबि मन्थ्रिया गावनि अफिसियेल टुइटाराव बर' रावजों लिरना प्रफेसार लकेश्वर ब्रह्मनि बोसोरारि थैनाय सानाव गावनि गोरबोनि सिबिनायखौ बावहरदों। मख'नो गोनांदि बर' थुनलाइ आफादनि बारग' आफादगिरि सानजारां प्रफेसर लकेश्वर ब्रह्म बिथाङा गावनि गासै जिउखौनो राव थुनलाइ हारिमु सिबिनायाव बावसोमदोंमोन। बेखौबो मख'नो नांगोन दि बिजनि फरायसालिमायाव दिनै सानजारां लकेश्वर ब्रह्मनि बोसोरारि थैनाय सानखौ लोब्बा लाना बिथांनि सावगारियाव बिबार बावदों। आथिखाल कर'ना भाइरासनि थासारिनि थाखाय बिजनि फरायसालिया सिगां बोसोरफोरनि बादि देग्लाय सानजारां लकेश्वर ब्रह्मनि थैनाय सानखौ फालिनो हायाखै। दा बिनि उनाव दं बिटिआरनि दैदेनगिरिमोना जनायाव दावबायहैदों। धेमाजि जिल्ला जनाय ओनसोलनि माखासे गामियाव दैबानाजों न' बां खहा जानायखौ दिनै बिटिआरनि लेङाइ गाहाय मावफुं सोद्रोमा गबिन्द बसुमतारी आरो बिथांजों लोगोसे बिटिआरनि बुंथिगिरि खाथिराम बर' मावफुं सोद्रोमा रेवरेवा नार्जारि मोना नायगिदिंहैदों। बिटिआरनि दैदेनगिरि मोना दिनै धेमाजि जिल्लानि जनाय ओनसोलाव दैबानाजों लोमसावजानाय गामियारिफोरखौ नायगिदिंना खौरां लाहैनाय हाबाफारियाव धेमाजि जिल्ला खौसेथि बर' सुबुं आफादनि आफादगिरि मनरन्जन बसुमतारी, मिरु एबसुनि सुबुं फोनांजाब नेहाथारि बड'सा ब्रह्म, धेमाजि जिल्ला दुलाराय बर' फरायसा आफादनि बारग' आफादगिरि शिवराम बसुमतारी, धेमाजि जिल्ला दुलाराय बर' फरायसा आफादनि लेङाइ आफादगिरि सुजित नार्जारि, मिसिं अट'नमास काउन्सिलनि इएम नरेश खुनबां, जनाय दख'रा आइजो अनसाय आफादनि आफादगिरि बायलें गयारि, जनाय दख'रा अनसाय आफादनि आफादगिरि बायलें गयारि। दा बिनि उनाव जनाय दख'रा दुलाराय बर' फरायसा आफादनि आफादगिरि मोजां गसाइ नार्जारि, गाहाय नेहाथारि मन'राम मुसाहारि मोनाबो बाहागो लायो होननानै मिथिनो हादों। दा सानसेयारि बड'लेण्ड इंखंनि गाहाय गाहाय रादाबफोरा बेखिनियानोसै। दा बिनि उनाव आं फरायनो लादों दा बड'लेण्ड एक्सप्रेस दिनैनि खौराङाव गाहाय गाहाय रादाबाव दं क्लास 9-10 syllabus reduced by 40% for academic session 2021-22. Assam Board of Secondary Education on Thursday announced it is reducing the syllabus for all subjects in class 9 and 10 for the academic session 2021-22. As per a notification by the Board of Secondary Education, Assam, the course curriculum of us and every subject has been reduced approximately by 40% in comparison with academic session 2019 for the convenience of exams of the students of class 9 and 10 in the academic session 2021-22. The board in a statement said it has been noticed that there has been considerable academic loss and it will be difficult for the students as well as the teachers to cover the course curriculum prescribed by the Board of Secondary Education. Assam for the academic year 2021-22, in view of the COVID-19 pandemic, the education institute in the state were closed from the third week of April 2021. All schools conduct online classes, and most of the students were not able to attend the classes due to various reasons. The State Education Board said in a statement, "There has been a considerable academic loss, and it will be difficult for students as well as teachers to cover up the course curriculum." The statement added, "According to the notification, the revised course curriculum will be provided in PDF format to all the schools. The revised syllabus will also be available on the SEVA website. However, the board has required teachers to teach the whole syllabus if possible, so that the students can have adequate knowledge of their entire course." The next down, BJP has failed to maintain social harmony and law order in Assam, APCC. The Assam Pradesh Congress Committee on Thursday claimed that the ruling BJP government has completely failed to maintain social harmony in the state of Assam. In a press statement, Chairperson, Media Department, APCC, Bobita Sharma said, "Respect for different communities has been the hallmark of social harmony in the state, but it has been observed that during the time of BJP government there has been growing intolerance, the attitude of disrespect toward communities and the law of the land." Sharma also claimed that the fire of violence and counter-violence are being encouraged. Surrounding the people of the state. After the advent of the BJP government in the state, some organizations have threatened to attack linguistic minorities in the state. It has come to our notice that some people belonging to certain organizations have openly stated their intention to attack Bengali speaking people, taking the law into their own hands. Such statements are being made in media and shared on social media. This has the potential to create a disturbance of social harmony in the state. It is indeed surprising that we have not seen the government or the administration initiate any measures to check such attempt. Forget any action against. The government has not even expressed any strong reaction to check such statements. She added, Sharma also mentioned that the Assam Congress is concerned at the fact the government is trending in the matter of social harmony and law and order. If one community publicly threatened or attack another in the state. The video now heroin worth over 17.5 crore size at Zorabat. The Assam police has tasted major success in its crusade against the drugs mafia in the state. Heroin consignment carrying a market value of around 17.5 crores has been recovered and seized by the Assam police. The recovery was made at Zorabat near Guwahati in Assam. From truck police recovered 2.5 kg of heroin concealed in 205 soft cases. The consignment was hidden inside the oil tank of the truck. Police intercept the truck after receiving specific input about the smuggling of the drugs. 2 persons have been arrested in connection with the seizures. The arrested persons have been identified as Deepak Sharma from Dimapur in Nagaland and Zaminlal from Manipur. Further investigation is underway to completely take down his drug network. Assam Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma took his Twitter and applauded the effort of the Assam police. The next down, all Assam government employees must get vaccine within 3 days. On Wednesday, September 1, the Assam State Disaster Management Authority has issued a new SOP for rural and urban areas following the improved COVID-19 scenario in the state. According to the new SOP, all the government employees who have taken at least the first dose of the COVID-19 vaccine will be allowed to attend in office. Assam Health Minister Keshav Mohanto said the relaxation will come into force from 11 a.m. on Wednesday. However, all other employees except those in whose case vaccine are contraindicated as per guidelines issued by the Health Department of Government of Assam, and for such claim is certified by a registered medical practitioner must get themselves vaccinated within 3 days from the date of issue of this order and attended office. Employees engaged in emergencies essential service shall attend their duty without any restriction at any place. The private or government organization rendering essential emergency service, law enforcement service and election board will continue working without any restriction in all districts. दिनैनि आसामनि गाहाय सिरिनि दिहुनजानाय खौरां बिलाइफोरनि रादाबा एसेनोसै। गोजोन्थों।